Hey y'all, it's package day. So I've already unboxed them, but I thought I'd hop on here and show you guys what I got anyway. I snagged some really good deals that I posted about in my Telegram group this past week. So if you're not a member, make sure you join us. I got these cables. I love these. I like how it's like that, but anyways, 3 lightning cables for $2. I posted them the other day. My son wants to buy himself a PS5. Fantastic. So I snagged this charging stand for the controllers. I only paid $4 for that. I got this rechargeable fan yesterday. And it's pink, you guys. Love pink. That came to $3. And then I just got in this shower caddy 2-piece set for $8. However, I do have an idea of where I want to use that. So if you're not already in my Telegram group, make sure you head over and join me there. If you love Amazon and you love saving money, definitely join us.